Hello friends, today we will discuss about the tuples in Python, how the tuples can be read, write, delete, and all type of functions in we can perform in tuples. Let's start it. A tuple is the collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Tuple is represented by a round bracket. Let's take an example. Tuple equals to apple, banana, cherry, and let's see over here. And how to access an tuple? You can pass tuple tup1, it will print the apple. For 0 it will print the apple. For 1 it will print the banana, and for 2 it will print the cherry, as you have already seen in list in Python. And if you want to do the negative indexes, you can do like this. Tuple -1 will represent the last index, means cherry, and -2 will represent the banana. And if you want to display a range of tuples, so we can use that same command, initial, from where to start and where to end. So 0, 1 excluding 2, apple and banana. Same you can do with the negative ranging, that is minus -2 colon -1 banana to change a tuple value. We already discussed about that it is unchangeable or immutable. So there is another way. It's a trick to change the tuple values. So let's see how we can do that. First, you have to convert the tuple back to a list like this. X equals to list. It is called casting list tup. Now this will pass the tuple to a list. It will make the tuple to a list. Okay. Now you can access any variable. If you want a banana, then you can do x1, and you want to change that banana to a kiwi. Okay. And now again you are doing this on tuple. Okay. So let's see, x equals to tup equals to t tuple, same casting process as we have performed from tuple to list, and same goes for list to tuple. X and tup. See, it's replaced the banana with a kiwi. Now moving on to the next, how the loop work. Same process as we have done in the list. For x in x in tup colon print x, and if you want to check an item is exist in the tuple or not, you can perform like this. If kiwi in tup then print good, else print uh, not sorry for this, not here. Okay, so it's present, so it's the way. Now if you change the string, now it will show not here. And how to get the tuple length, how many elements are there. So same function, length function is used to know the length of tuple is 3. Okay, now create tuple with one item. We can do like this, y equals to tuple tuple. Okay, okay, if you will try this one, it will show an error. So it's not a tuple now, it become a string. You can see type y. See, if you add a comma to it, now it is tuple now. Before it was not a tuple. Okay, if you want to delete a tuple, you know that it is immutable, so you cannot delete one element, so you have to delete complete. Then you can use delete y and print y. It will say it doesn't exist anymore. Name y is not defined. So how to join our tuples? Let's take tup1 equals to round bracket a, b, and c. Tup2 equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3, and now we have to join it. So same as we have done in the list, tuple 3 equals to tuple 1 plus tuple 2 and print the tuple 3. See, let's join. And there are two methods in the tuple. First is count, return the number of item or specify value occurring in the tuple. As you can say, tup3 dot a is occur one time in the tuple, therefore it's at this. If you will do like tuple 2, okay, and if you will pass over here count of number 1, it will show 2 times. It has occurred 2 times in that. And another is index, tuple 3 dot count, not count, index of an item 1, so it's third. third index number 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you have any question about these feature, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed at my channel yet, please subscribe me. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.